Do you feel like language learning is very difficult for you? Learning a language is like anything you want to achieve in life. It's long and often a difficult journey. It has been found that most people struggle to reach fluency in English or in any other language, not because of their age, their ability, or how much money they have, but it's because they just give up too soon. If you are learning a language, you will encounter certain inevitable obstacles. I believe that the best way to deal with these challenges is to be prepared and face these challenges. And today I'll talk about one of these challenges and how to overcome them. Frustration is the first stage that you will encounter during your journey, and it is just normal. Just imagine when you go to the gym for the first time, you'll feel tired the next day, and this is just because you are stretching your muscles. Your muscles are not used to this kind of movement, and they are just stretching out. The same thing here. Frustration means you are stretching out your comfort zone and pushing yourself further than before. However, this is when many of us quit because they don't immediately get it. It is important to realize that when you get past the frustration stage, the learning process will get more enjoyable and more fun. Frustration is only a temporary state, and what separates the successful from the unsuccessful learners is the ability to go past the frustration stage. The key is to take it step by step instead of overwhelming yourself. For example, if your target is to reach fluency in English, but you have zero knowledge, then your first goal must be as small as learning basic phrases like greetings. From there, give yourself a treat and celebrate your small win. This will help your brain carve more of these progressions. After that, move on to the next stage or next level, which is learning more phrases in order to level up your knowledge, and so on. This was only the first of the inevitable obstacles. If you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you later.